this is Swati Agarwal, guardian of Miss Shivani, who is doing Java programming class at Oxford Global Academy of Excellence. As I know the institution very closely, so I can tell you that the institution is absolutely amazing, and the trainers or the staff in the institution is very polite, helpful, cooperative, as well as soft spoken. My daughter is doing Java programming front-end development course, and I can say that she is doing very well, and she can call her trainers or in the institution to get her problems solved. My overall experience with the institution is very good. I will also recommend other parents to make their son or daughter join the institution, as it is very nice. The trainer and the staff are very cooperative. So please join the Oxford Global Academy of Excellence. Now my daughter is doing a great job and she is well settled. So please join. Thank you.